Sir, may I resume it as a class? Thank you, sir. Good morning, students. How are you all? सब लोग अच्छे हैं? ठीक है. So, students, tell me the name of common things that you have used or consumed since morning. Okay, roti, sabji, paratha, medicines, books. So, students, do you know in all of these things that you have mentioned and all other things that we use in our daily life, there is an element common to all of these things. Do you know what that element is? Yes, that element is carbon. And carbon is an element. And students, you know when an element combined with another element in a fixed ratio, then what forms? Tell me, students. Yes, in that way, compounds are formed. And if one of the element constituting the reaction, then these compound, we can say that these compounds are compounds of carbon or carbonic compound. So students, today we will study about carbon and its compounds. Carbon and its compounds. Now student, as I have told you that carbon can form various type of compounds, that there are numerous type of compound of carbon. So the question arises that what are the properties of carbon that allow him to form such large quantity of compound, and what is the type of bonding in those compound. So students, in order to answer these questions, we first have to look at the electronic configuration of carbon. So students, tell me, what is the symbol for element carbon? Very good. Capital C. And what is the atomic number of carbon? Yes, it is 6. And we denote atomic number by the letter Z. So for carbon, Z is equal to 6. And now if I will distribute electron according to the respective shells, then in first shell there will be 2 electrons, and in second shell there will be remaining 4 electrons. So students, this is the electronic configuration of carbon. Now students, can you tell me, in order to attain stability, carbon require how many electrons? Yes, carbon requires 4 electrons more to attain stability. So students, the first condition by which carbon can attain stability is to attain 4 extra electrons, that is to gain how many electrons? To gain 4 electrons, because after acquiring 4 extra electrons, carbon will attain the electronic configuration of noble gas by fulfilling its outermost shell. So students, you know that 1 electron means 1 negative charge. So after acquiring 4 extra electron, carbon will gain 4 negative charge. And negatively charged ions are called, very good students, negatively charged ions are called anion. And the second condition, second possibility by which carbon can gain stability is to lose electrons. And to lose how many electrons? To lose all of the 4 electrons from the outermost shell. And by losing all of the 4 electrons, carbon will attain 4 of the positive charge. And positively charged ions are called cations. Now students, I have told you 2 conditions by which carbon can attain stability. The first is to gain electron and the second is to lose electron. But students, both of these conditions are not valid. Why? Because in first condition, as you know, that what is the atomic number of carbon? Atomic number of carbon is 6, which means that in nucleus of carbon there are how many?
डायग्राम्स कैसे बना लेते हो?
क्या चीज में?
डायग्राम
में पहले तो नहीं बट सब धीरे धीरे सीखे हैं.
देखो करो, हार्ट के डायग्राम जो बेसिक हमारी जो फंक्शंस होते हैं उनके बेसिक डायग्राम्स के बारे में करना पड़ेगा, है ना? ठीक है, जैसे हार्ट्स का हो गया है, ठीक है, अगर हम बात करें लंग्स का हो गया, ब्रेन का हो गया, जो हमारी ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी के हैं, और प्लांट्स में जो इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स हैं, ठीक है, लाइक सेल स्ट्रक्चर है, टिश्यू स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं, ठीक है, इंटरनल एनाटॉमी कैसी है, रूट्स का कैसे है, तो ये कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम्स आपको करने पड़ेंगे प्रिपेयर, ठीक है।
मैम मुझे लगा दो ही सीखे हैं बस, एक किडनी का और एक डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम का बस।
हार्ट का बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है,
हार्ट
हार्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, हार्ट करो, ठीक है। अब आपने एक लेवल पे कर लिया है, मतलब आपका टीजीटी वाला जो है, मतलब 10th तक का है आपका, वो क्लियर है, आपने बहुत अच्छे से कर लिया है ना। और मैं बताऊँ ना, ऑनेस्ट टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैंने आपको जो प्रीवियस देखा था, आई थिंक बीच में जो हुए थे उसमें मैं नहीं थी, लेकिन मैं आपके फर्स्ट सेकेंड मॉक में
Yes,
मैं
ma'am,
थी,
दो
मुझे
में
याद
थी
है ना। तो तब से मैं देख रही हूँ आपने बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट किया